Don't toss them. 9 ways to reuse old tuna cans. Turn them into tea light holders. Clean and paint tuna cans. Add sand or beads inside, then place tea lights for rustic indoor or outdoor lighting decor. Create mini planters for herbs. Poke drainage holes, fill cans with soil and herb seedlings, then place on a windowsill or magnetize for compact kitchen gardening. Make a DIY pincushion. Fill with scraps or stuffing, cover with fabric-covered padding secured in place, then use as pin holder and storage compartment. Use them as drawer organizers. Clean cans hold paper clips, push pins, rubber bands, beads, and trinkets. Group inside drawers for neat storage and easy access. Craft a hanging wall organizer. Mount several cans on a board or wall, paint them, and use as cubbies for pens, tools, or succulents. Make tiny baking molds. Use clean cans lined with parchment or silicone liners to bake individual muffins, cornbread, pot pies, or frozen desserts safely. Build a simple bird feeder. Attach twine or wire to punched cans, fill with birdseed, and add a twig perch for backyard feeders. Turn it into a mini desk trash can. Decorate a tuna can for desk trash, catching small waste like shavings or wrappers. Secure on a coaster if desired. Make magnetic spice holders. Glue magnets onto cans, label lids, fill with spices or herbs, then stick to fridge or metal backsplash for convenience.